back, friends. So today we're moving. We just did the hitch up video last week, and today we are headed off out of the mountains of Colorado in Nederland, and we're headed back down to Denver to get one of our windows fixed and replaced and do some grocery while we're at it, and then we're headed off farther west, so we'll take you along for that adventure. And there she is. Sometimes you never know if you'll be able to fit somewhere, so better to place a trucking trailer where you know it'll fit. Had to go get some mail, which we get at the USPS stores via general delivery. It's a great tip if you're on the road. Send stuff to general delivery through Amazon. You just gotta make sure you don't one day it, because then they'll overnight it via UPS, and UPS won't deliver a general delivery to the post office.
Sitting here in a cart back by customer pickup.
Generator's in. So I gotta say, like, how impressed we are with this truck. I mean, should be with the heavy-duty trucks these days, but I mean, this isn't a diesel, and we're going down a 10% grade right now. And just listen. I'm not even using the brake. The truck just is holding right where I need it to hold. Actually, I have to hit the gas a couple times to keep us moving fast enough. It's a great way to conserve your brakes and not overheat your brakes while towing probably around 8,000 pounds down a mountainside in Colorado. We made our way down to Castle Rock, Colorado, and we ended up staying right at Colorado Trailers here. If you can see a couple little babies of our trailer. We came down here to get a window fixed yesterday, and that went smooth, was great. They fit us in even though they weren't expecting us apparently to be done in one day, but they did it. And yeah, we came back over to Colorado Trailers, spent 2 nights here, and today we're headed towards Durango, Colorado. So it's a pretty long travel day. Got up pretty early. It's like 7 o'clock now, but we got up at 5:30, ate coffee, caffeinated, all that good stuff. And it's going to be a pretty long drive day. It's either going to be like 6 hours or 8 hours, whether or not we go the south route or we go through the mountains and come back around through Silverton or not. I haven't really decided quite yet what I'm going to do, but either way, it's going to be a long day. 7 hours driving normal versus driving with a trailer and towing is a whole different story. But we'll see you out there.
Close your eyes, hear the voice within, calling. This heavy load got under your skin, howling. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside, heading for collision and denial. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out.
Hey, also, we made it back up into the mountains outside of Durango, Colorado last night. It was raining a little bit and then quite a bit this morning. But the sun decided to peek out, and it's quite a beautiful valley that we found ourselves in here outside of some ski resort. And look at that, fall happened. There wasn't hardly any color change over on the front range, just little peaks here and there. But out here on our way out, it's been quite the change in scenery. So good news is, throughout all that rain, the window on the trailer, that guy up there, seems to be holding up pretty well. That was the one we had replaced. And we got a little dirty coming in last night there. Gonna end up having to give the truck a bath. But it's nice and cool up here and beautiful in the valley. I'm not sure if this is an actual spot or just a pull out, but we're gonna make it into a spot until someone tells us it's not a spot. Oh man, yeah, sunset's happening there. It's gorgeous. I don't know, I just love being up in the mountains here in Colorado. I mean, Colorado's just something else, guys. I don't know, like, I don't know what I expected from Colorado, but it's gone way beyond what my expectations were, and we've only scratched the surface of it. Yeah. Nothing else to say there. But anyway, we're going to be up in the mountains here for the next 2 weeks again, and we'll take you along for whatever we get into. So we've been running the heat now for about an hour. We set it to 70 degrees just to get some extra hot air kind of coming out. We started at 65 and wasn't feeling too warm. But now it's been running for an hour and it's almost 62 degrees in here. But it feels really toasty, so we're probably going to switch that off, especially now that the sun's starting to come out a little bit more. It's supposed to be warmer today. We had to have dipped below 40 easily at night for there to be so much frost out on the field. But it's supposed to be in the 70s today, so it's going to warm up quite a bit here. And I mean, we haven't been using very much power at all. I don't know exactly how much, but I keep checking, and we're usually under 90 watts, so it's barely tapping into any power whatsoever, guys. So that's it's pretty good. Well, when it warmed up earlier, LZ went for a walk, and she found maybe about a quarter of a mile up the road from us a much larger pullout that actually has a camp fire ring and everything. So definitely much more of a sight than our little pullout here. Although I've loved our little pullout. Problem is, we are right next to the road, and when this is muddy, the whole trailer just gets washed from everyone who's driving by. And people drive by really fast on this stretch of the road here because it's too bumpy at this point. So I don't know, some people have done probably 50 miles an hour through here. So anyway, we're gonna move, and hopefully that site is gonna be a little bit farther off the road. the joys of boondocking with cows. This whole herd has been taking turns this morning. Yeah, hi. Licking the trailer. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Don't be licking the truck. Don't be licking the trailer. Go over with your friends. Get. There you go. These young ones are pretty rambunctious. I don't know if you can see, but these two over here keep headbutting each other. Whew. Went out for a 10K run, made about 2/3 of the way. Elevation's getting to me. But I had a thought while I was out here. That's about the speed of travel. So many people just travel so fast. And we travel pretty slow. We like to stay in the same area for about 2 to 4 weeks, depending on what we can, where we can get to and stuff. If we were traveling fast, I wouldn't have been out here and seen all this. I wouldn't have gone for a run. We would have stopped in, took a couple pictures and said, yep, that's good, let's keep going. Gotta get to that next national park, that next city, that next whatever. You don't need to travel like that. I mean, that's fine if you want to do it that way. But I think there's something to be said for about slow traveling and taking your time of exploring a certain location. Because there's so much there. I mean, we all know that there's so much more to even your backyard, you know, than what you probably spend 20 years doing. There's still so much more there to do, no matter where you're at. You don't have to be in Colorado or up in the mountains. So, yeah, I guess that's what I kind of want to make a point of is try slow travel. Just one of your vacations, pick one spot, not too far away, so you don't have to spend all your time driving there. Go there and spend your time in that location and see what you think. We like it quite a bit. Anyhow, I think that's probably going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Give us a like there. Subscribe to the channel if you feel like it. It helps us out. And check out our blog, which I'll post down below in the description, to take a look at some of our other adventures that we go on and kind of our other thoughts around some of these ideas. And we'll see you next time. Peace.